What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now I have still got my 16 Pro Max. I've got this for the next year, so there's going to be plenty of videos coming with this. We have just done the what's on my 16 Pro Max. If you haven't seen that, that's up here for you guys to check out. Caudabe sent over their collection of cases, and today we're looking at the Sheath. But let me know for future videos, would you prefer to see these all grouped into one video or separate on each individual like selection of cases? So we got the Sheath, the Paragon and the Synthesis. Today is on the Sheath. Now they sent this out to me in the grey and the black. I do believe there's other colours as well, but there'll be a link down below to where you can pick yours up for yourself. So Caudabe branding on the front. You flip this open and there is the grey case. Comes with, as you can see, it says Caudabe all the way through the box. Comes with like a little leaflet and tells you minimalist perfection and what they do, the charge flex cable, the Sheath case. Join the Caudabe club, turn points into perks and join the conversation. And then on this part right here you've got relax, you're covered, 1 year hassle free warranty, 30-day returns and exchanges, and they reply within 1 business day. So that right there is the grey, and then we should have the black inside this one. And yes, we have the black. There we go. So there's the grey and the black. I do like to normally go for the blue. Caudabe branding on the front of the box, all the normal logos on the side. Minimalist perfection, says Sheath, clean, minimalist, aesthetic, epitomises Caudabe's design, exceptional magnetic strength. Will be the judge of that. Full compatibility with MagSafe accessories, good buttons with incredible tactile feedback, acclaimed micro etch texture enhances grip and resists lint and scratches. I'll try the black one on the phone. I'm going to keep the grey one on for the extended demonstration. So let's pop the black one onto the phone, and there we go. So there is what the black Sheath would look like. It's a nice design as always, nice grippy texture. Camera control button is cut out completely. I know a lot of people are saying at the moment they don't use this. I do all the time. At the end of the day, what's the point in having something there new that okay yet your muscle memory isn't quite used to yet? You need to get used to it, and to be honest with you, it's pretty good. Yeah, I may be the only one that's saying that, but I do like it. Yeah, there is the black one. Nice design case. Looks the part, but let's move on to the grey. In microfiber inner lining, Caudabe on the bottom, minimalist perfection. Genuine Caudabe product made with Shocklight, and then the Caudabe logo. So this is the grey. Let's go ahead and slap the phone in. Oh, there we go. So there is the grey Sheath. That's a good look. That is a good looking case. I like that a lot. As I say, the grippy texture makes it feel really good. Camera's nice and recessed into that housing, so you can place it down like so and you not have to worry about it at all. But of course there is a lip running all the way around the edge right here, so I've got a screen protector on mine, so yours would sit in a bit more if you didn't have one. So you can place it face down even with the screen protector on. Again, perfect. Nice clicky tactile buttons, exactly what they said. Of course they are anodized. Cut out on the bottom, nice and recessed charge port, speaker, microphone, etc. The camera control button cut out, nice, exactly where your finger would sit to take them pictures or even just access the camera. That's what I've got mine set up for, so one click accesses the camera, and then long press accesses the new feature within iOS 18.2 for Apple Intelligence. Action button, your volume rockers, your power button. This is a lovely looking case. So let's go ahead with start with the tests. Next year I am bringing something new to the channel, which I've been asked for. I've never been one to do it, but it's been asked for, so I will be bringing it to the channel next year, which I'll show you in a sec what it's going to be. MagSafe battery pack clicks in really nice. That's what it's going to look like. It is charging, so let's go ahead and shake test went well. You got to really pull to get it off. That's what we like to see. The big test, of course, the Nomad base stand. Super heavy base stand, so let's go ahead and slap it on MagSafe. Clicks in, charging, and yeah, picks it up with no issues. So you're not going to have any issues with, like, if you have a MagSafe charger but it sort of stands up, like sort of slanted, you're not going to have any issues with it sliding off because the MagSafe is super strong. That's why I do the test. If you have a MagSafe stand that stands like this overnight and stands on your nightstand or away from you, and you end up with this where it's off the charge port, then you're going to have issues, because obviously you're not going to charge overnight and you're going to wake up in the morning and be like, my phone isn't charged. And that is why, because of the MagSafe on the back. But there's the black and the grey. Let me know which one you go for in the comments, and what I'm bringing to the channel. What I'm bringing to the channel next year is I am going to weigh the case before and then when you put your phone in it. Been asked for it a lot, so I finally picked up a scale, and that's what we're going to do next year. I'm going to show you exactly what it weighs. People seem to be interested in it and what the case weighs. You know, is it right from the manufacturer, what they say it is compared to what the scale says it is. Let me know which one you go for. Would you go for the grey, the black, or would you choose one of the other sheath colours? Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. MagSafe test went well, exactly what to be expected. Sheath is a great case and has been a great case for years. I've been a genuine lover of the Sheath. I can't remember the first phone. I've been through it before in the past on a video, and they did send it out and I did take a picture of it. It was lovely, like a light blue, looked the part, really nice. But yeah, from then, been a lover of the Sheath cases. So huge thank you to Caudabe for sending these out to me. Let me know which one you would pick, and let me know what you want to see. As I say, going forward, would you sooner see them all grouped together or separate videos? So be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one.